I'm Elizabeth, and I set up Artisanne with my sister Emma. Emma lived in Senegal for 6.5 years, and that's where the idea for Artisanne came about, because we both fell in love with the Senegalese weaving style. So we now work directly with weavers to bring beautiful hand-woven baskets to your homes. We started with 3 weavers, and we now work directly with 85 weavers. But we've been working with them now for over 6.5 years, and we've got a really close relationship with them, which is incredibly important to us. We use their traditional Senegalese weaving styles, and it's our designs and it's our colour palettes. And we design everything from these really large Alibaba baskets to toy baskets, hand-woven planters, trays, placemats. The baskets are weaved from repurposed plastic and sustainable local grasses. Artisanne is really proud to be a member of the British Association of Fair Trade Businesses. Do check out our full range on our website, which is www.artisanne.co.uk.